Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter, means revise a very important chapter of your first term syllabus, which is coordinate geometry. In previous class, dear students, we discussed about also a very important chapter related to your chapter, your syllabus, which is linear equation in two variables. And in that class we discuss all the important concept, all the important questions, and also we discuss the graph of the linear equation related to the chapter linear equation in two variables, and we take and solve some very important questions related to graph of the linear equation in two variables. Okay, now in today's class we revise a very important chapter related to your first term syllabus, which is coordinate geometry. So let's see what now in today's class we revise the some facts, important facts related to the coordinate geometry, and we take and solve some important questions related to coordinate geometry. We discuss about the Cartesian coordinate systems, which is very important, helpful for that chapter. Okay, dear students. So all the questions we discuss in that class. Dear students, so first of all, we we discuss about the Cartesian coordinate axis. Cartesian we discuss about the Cartesian coordinate axis. Okay, we discuss about the Cartesian coordinate axis. Dear friends, what is the concept of this? You know that very well. In previous classes we already discussed about all these things, so we just revising them. So look, dear friends, here first of all we draw two mutual perpendicular lines as x-axis and y-axis respectively. That is x o x dash, y o, and y dash respectively. Okay, so dear friend, if we draw two mutual perpendicular lines as one x dash o x and y o y dash, then the line, dear friends, x o x dash represent x axis, and the line y o y dash represent as y axis. Okay, okay dear students, so this is the concept of concept of Cartesian coordinate system. And the region here, there are four quadrants are there. This is x o x y. O x y is our first quadrant, dear friends, first quadrant. Okay, and this is x dash o y. This is x dash o y is our what? Is the second quadrant. Second quadrant, and here x dash o y dash. X dash o y dash is the third quadrant, and here this is x o y dash is the there are four quadrants in the Cartesian coordinate system. Axis means here x o x is your x axis, dear friend. This is the x axis. Okay, and here y o y dash is the y axis. Okay, so this is the concept of Cartesian coordinate system. Now look, some important concept related to that is what Dear students, here look, here OX is what? Here the point of intersection of both the coordinate axes. Just the point of intersection of both the coordinate axes is called origin. So point O is the, yes, here O is the point of intersection of both the coordinates. So this is called as origin. So this is called as origin, and the coordinate of O is 0, 0. Coordinate of O is what? 0, 0. Okay. So this is your origin. So point of intersection of both the coordinate axes is called origin, and the coordinate of O origin is what? 0, 0. Okay. Now look, dear friends, OX here from the origin, right side of from the right side of the origin, this is the positive direction of X. This is the positive direction of X. It means that all the points take on this point, take on this line is taken as what? Positive, because of this is the positive direction of X now. So means we write +1, +2, +3, +4, +5 and also on. From the right side the origin, this is the positive direction of X. Okay. Now from the left side from the origin, horizontally, when we goes to the horizontally left side from the origin, then this is the negative of x-axis. This is the negative direction of x-axis. Means all the points which is lies on OX dash taken as negative. Means we write as -1, -2, -3, -4 and also on, and also on. Okay. Now dear friends, from the above from the origin, this is OY. This is the positive direction of Y. This is the positive direction of Y, and all the point lies on OY taken as positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and also on. Similarly, from the below from the origin, all the points on taken as, this is the negative of Y. This is the negative direction of Y. So all the points lies on OY is taken as negative, -1, -2, -3, -4 and also on. Okay. And some other important facts is that, dear friends, in coordinate geometry, the coordinates write always in the form of x, y. Coordinate always write in the form of ordered pair as x, y. X is called as abscissa and y is called as ordinate. Y is called as ordinate. So in Cartesian coordinate system, dear students, in Cartesian coordinate system, any coordinate is always write in the form of ordered pair x, y, where x represents as abscissa and y is represented as ordinate. This is the concept of abscissa and ordinate. Okay, dear students. Now, dear students, so abscissa and ordinate. Now look, in first coordinate, x, o, y. In first coordinate x, o, y. In that coordinate means x, o, y. x, y. Now look, in this coordinate x, o, y, this is the first coordinate. In that coordinate, both the, this is the positive direction of x and this is the positive of y. So in that coordinate, both the abscissa and ordinate are what? Positive. So in that coordinate, both the abscissa and ordinate are positive. Both the abscissa and ordinate are positive. Okay. Now in second quadrant, this is the negative of x and this is the positive of y. This is the negative of x and this is the positive of y. So in that quadrant, second quadrant, abscissa is negative but ordinate is what? Positive. No, ordinate is what? Positive. Means in that coordinate, both the abscissa and ordinate greater than 0 means positive. But in second quadrant, क्योंकि coordinate is always right in the form of x, y, first represent as abscissa and second one represent as ordinate. So here this is abscissa is negative and ordinate is positive in second quadrant. Okay, dear student, means x less than 0 but y is greater than 0. Now in third quadrant, this is the negative of x, this is the negative of y. So in that quadrant, both the abscissa and ordinate are negative. Means in that quadrant, both the x and y both are less than 0. Means less than 0 means in negative term value. Okay, and look at this here in fourth quadrant. Dear student, in that quadrant, this is the positive direction of x and this is the negative of y. So in that quadrant, this is abscissa is positive but ordinate is negative. Abscissa is positive but ordinate is negative. That is means that x is greater than 0 and y is less than 0 in fourth quadrant. So in fourth quadrant, dear student, abscissa is positive but ordinate is negative. Okay. So this is the whole concept of Cartesian coordinate axis, and we discussed, explain all the important facts related to coordinate geometry, means Cartesian coordinate axis. Suppose that if any point lies on the line x, o, x dash, so on the line means on the x axis, because of x, o, x dash is your x axis, na? So on the x axis, the coordinate, the coordinate of ordinate always taken as 0. So the set of all point which is lies on the x axis is what? X comma 0. This is the set of all point. Plus minus you take x, plus minus x comma 0. Plus minus means what? If those points suppose that lies on this side or this side, minus 4 suppose that. So add this position. So all the points, all the set of points in the form of plus minus x comma 0 lies on x axis, lies on x axis. In other words, we can say that on the x axis, the point of ordinate, the coordinate of ordinate is 0. Same as the set of all points which lies on the y-axis as a, y, o, y dash. So on the y-axis, the value of abscissa is always 0. Means the set of all points lies on the y-axis is what? 0 comma plus minus y. 0 comma plus minus y means that here suppose that this is 0, 5 and this is 0 minus 4, etc. So this is the set of all points which are lies on the y-axis. So on the y-axis, abscissa is 0, and on the x-axis is what? Ordinate is 0. Okay, dear students. So in this way, we cleared the concept of Cartesian coordinate axis, and we discuss all the important facts, all the important things related to that chapter. Now we take and solve some important questions based on related to that topic. Let's see. Now we take some other important question, and the question is, in which quadrant do the in which quadrant do the in which quadrant do the following points lie? Following points following point lie. Okay. First part is what? 4 2. Second one is what? -3 5. Third one is what? -2 -5. And fourth one is what? 4 -2. This is okay. So this is the question. So in which quadrant do the following points lie? Now let's see solution. Dear students, we just discussed about that topic कि you know that we have a Cartesian coordinate system. This is x o x dash, this is y o y dash. So we take first coordinate, which is what? 4 2. Dear students, here abscissa and ordinate both positive, means x y both are what? Positive now, means +4 and +2. So this point lies in first quadrant. So when in the point 4 2 lies in first one. This is your second quadrant, this is your third, and this is your fourth quadrant. Okay. So here abscissa and ordinate both are positive, and you know that very well कि abscissa and ordinates both are positive in only first quadrant. So this point 4 2 lies in which quadrant, dear students? 4 quadrant. Okay. Now look, we take some other important question. The second part of this question, this is -3 and 5. -3 and 5. Dear students, the point -3 and 5 here in this quadrant, abscissa is what? Abscissa is what? Negative. Abscissa is what? Negative, but ordinate is positive, means here x y, this is negative and positive. And you know that very well कि in second quadrant abscissa is negative, means in that quadrant second one abscissa is negative but ordinate is positive. So the point -3 and 5 lies in second quadrant, lies in second quadrant. Okay dear students, so this is the concept of that. Now we take and discuss the third one. Our third point is -2 -5. Now look, in this coordinate both the abscissa and ordinate are what? Negative. Both the abscissa and ordinate are what? Negative. So the point x y means minus abscissa and ordinate both are negative, and you know that abscissa and ordinate both are negative in third quadrant. So in third quadrant the point -2 -5 lie. -2 -5 lie. Okay. Now, so in third quadrant both the abscissa and the ordinate are negative, so the point -2 -5 lies in third quadrant. Okay. Now look, Now we take about why we discuss about the fourth one. Fourth is what? 4 and minus 2 means abscissa is positive but alternate is negative. Look, dear friend, in fourth quadrant, in fourth coordinate, here look, this is abscissa is positive and negative. In which quadrant? Fourth one. Now we already discussed about that ki in fourth coordinate abscissa is positive but ordinate is negative. So thus the point 4 minus 2 lies in fourth quadrant. Lies in fourth quadrant. So this question is completed now. So in this way, dear friends, you can solve each and every questions based on this topic in this way. This is the very important concept of Cartesian coordinate system, and in this way we clear the concept of this type of questions. Now we take and discuss some other important type of question based on this chapter. Let's see. Now, the question is plot the following points on the graph on a graph paper. Plot the following points on a graph paper. First one is what? 3, 4. Second inward minus 2, 3. Third one is what? Minus 4, 5 minus 2. And fourth one is what? 4 minus 3. Now, look, we plot the following points on a graph paper. On a graph paper. Look, so here first point is 3, 4. Second one minus 2, 3. Third one is what? Minus 5, minus 2. Third and fourth one is what? 4, minus 3. So these are the points, and we plot all these points on the graph. Now look, its solution. Okay. So so for solving that type of question, first of all we draw the graph. Look, in graph means we draw Cartesian coordinate axis like x and y axis. Look, y dash, and this one x o x, and you know that the point of intersection of both the axes is taken as is called origin, and the coordinate of origin is what? You know that 0, 0. This is the positive of direction of x. So here we take 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, this is a positive direction of, and this is negative of x. So we take minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and minus 7, and dot so on. This is the positive of y. So this is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and plus 5, and dot so on. and this is the negative direction of y, so here we take as -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 and -8 and also on. Now look, so dear students, in this way we draw the graph of the Cartesian coordinate system. Now look, we draw the first point. First of all, we take the first point, we take a as 3, 4. Now in that first point, so both the abscissa and ordinate, and in this way, so both the abscissa and ordinate is what? Are what? Positive, na? And both the abscissa and ordinate, are positive only in first quadrant. Only in first quadrant. So look, abscissa is +3. Okay, so +3, 1, 2, 3 is there, and 4. Then y is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So look, so first point A, suppose that 3, 4. This is here. This first point 3, 4 lies in that position. This is the position of first quadrant. Now second one is what? This is -2, 3. So abscissa is -2, but ordinate is +3 now. So -2, first of all we go through the negative direction of x and reach the position at point -2. So -1, -2 is that position. Now +3. So from there we get +3 here. This is +3 here. So second point we take as B lies -2, 3 at that position on the graph. Okay, this is the location. This is the plotting of the second coordinate as -2 and 3. Okay, now we take and discuss the third quadrant, which is -5 and -2. -5 and -2. So look, -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -5 is there and -2. Now look, this is the position of the third quadrant, -5 and -2. This is the location of third quadrant as -5, -2. Okay, because of here abscissa and ordinate both are negative, and you know that very well कि both the abscissa and ordinate are negative in third quadrant. So in third quadrant this is -5, -2. Okay, now look, this is, now we draw the fourth one is what? +4 and -3. Now here fourth one is our abscissa is positive but ordinate is negative, and you know that there is abscissa is positive in fourth quadrant and ordinate negative. Positive and negative plus minus lies on fourth one. Fourth one 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and y -3 ordinate. So here look, so here fourth point lies on that position on the graph. Okay, so in this way you can plot all the points on the graph paper using the concept of Cartesian coordinate system. So therefore in this way, in today's class we discuss about some important questions related to the topic coordinate geometry. So please revise and complete solving your NCERT exercise. Now in next class we take and solve some other type of questions based on coordinate geometry. Okay dear friends.